Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I just have one item to show you. This is a jumpsuit that I've had my eye on for a while. I've seen it on the Every site. I actually tried it on in South Moon Under, which is a boutique that runs a little bit younger but has similar name brands to Every. So I tried it on there, but they didn't have petites. They only had straight sizes, and I tried on it in a 0, and I was able to make it work, and it looked okay. But when I saw this pop up on Stitch Fix in a 2 petite, which is really my size, like for dresses and jumpsuits, and even blouses that are size 2 petite is probably more my size than a regular XS. I can make a regular extra small or a regular 2 work, but typically petite usually is the better fit. So I said, you know what, I gotta try it and see how it works. So standing back, this is a real splurge item. This is by Paige, and it's the Paige Anessa jumpsuit. And you can see this on every site and anywhere else. It's an expensive jumpsuit. I'm turning around because I also kind of want to determine whether or not I want to keep this for myself, all right? The waist fits perfectly. I don't think there's any pulling or gaping up here at the bust line. I'll have to look back at the footage. It feels comfortable. I don't think there's any pulling at the pockets at all either. I think it fits well there. I believe it's supposed to be a crop style. I'm actually going to look at the model wearing it and make sure these are not too short on me. What are your thoughts? Do I treat myself and do I keep this, or does this go back? And again, I got this from Stitch Fix Freestyle. I go on the app quite often, and I happened to see this pop up in my looks, and I said, oh my gosh, it's the same jumpsuit that I tried on, at South Moon Under, and the same one I've been eyeing on Every to go on sale. So, you know what I said? And then it's in a petite. So I said, let me grab it. So let me know your thoughts on this, what I should do, whether you think it's worth the splurge item. I don't own any Paige, and I've been kind of eyeing this thing for a while, and I think I might keep it at this point. But again, I have to look at the footage. All right, thank you everyone for joining me for this quick video. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Give me a thumbs up and take care until next time.